Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to fix this error message. Nodemon is not recognized as an internal or external command. Nodemon is actually a software by which you can actually restart your applications whenever you make any sort of changes automatically inside your Node.js application. So if you're getting this error message, make sure that you have installed nodemon globally. So the command is very simple, npm i-g for globally installing it, and then the type of name of the module. So this is the command. Just install this nodemon module globally. Just execute this command, press enter, and then just install this nodemon module globally. Now you can see added 29 packages. So if you try to execute this command here, nodemon, you will see the command will be able to execute. So you just need to specify the name of the file that you want to run. Let's suppose a file is present, index.js, that you want to run. This will be the command here. So in this way you can fix this error message by installing this module globally by executing this command here, npm i-g, for globally installing this nodemon. So in this way you can fix this error message, and thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.